This home just sits minutes from Geist Reservoir, one of Indiana's top spots for boating, jet skiing, and unforgettable summer memories. And guess what? You don't need a lakefront price tag to get this lifestyle. Welcome to another edition of Hamilton County's Most Desirable Homes, where we explore the properties that people are buzzing about all across Hamilton County. Today, we're stepping inside a home that blends lifestyle, convenience, and value, all in one of the most sought-after communities in the area. Let's start with the neighborhood. Location, and lifestyle. We're in Westbrook at Geist, a charming suburban neighborhood tucked just outside the Fishers and McCordsville area. The beauty of this location is how effortlessly it connects you to Geist Reservoir. Imagine launching your boat or paddleboard just minutes from your front door, or grabbing dinner by the water at Wolfie's or Pearl Street Pizzeria. This is your everyday life right here. Accessibility commuters love this area for its quick access to I-69 and 465. Whether you're heading into downtown Indy or exploring Hamilton County, you're never far from where you want to go. Plus, all your shopping needs are covered with nearby Hamilton Town Center, Target, Meijer, and so much more. Now let's talk about the star of the show. This stunning property at 9712 Brooks Drive, originally built by Ryland Homes, who you may be familiar with, was acquired by Lennar. This home blends quality craftsmanship and modern design, featuring 5 bedrooms where one master suite is on the main floor, a secondary master suite upstairs, main floor office, spacious family room, plus a loft, and plus a nearly fully finished basement. You'll find plenty of space to grow, entertain, simply relax right here. The layout is open, functional, and full of natural light. And whether it's hosting friends in the kitchen, cozying up by the fireplace, or enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, this home was designed for living. Families love this area for its access to Hamilton Southeastern Schools, one of Indiana's premier school systems. That adds long-term value, whether you're raising kids or simply investing wisely. Love the outdoors? You're surrounded by walking trails, parks, and of course, that unbeatable proximity to Geist. It's not just a home, it's a launch pad for an adventure. This home is a rare mix of location, lifestyle, and long-term value. It's perfect for someone looking to be close to all the action with all the quiet comforts of a suburban retreat. And remember, when you buy into a lifestyle like Geist, it's not just about the home itself. It's about Saturday mornings on the water, neighborhood cookouts, evening walks, and creating a life worth living. This home and this lifestyle won't last. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, or selling a current property in Hamilton County, now is the time to connect. Just ask Justak, and I'll show you how to unlock the next step in your real estate journey. No pressure, just expert advice. Scan the QR code on the screen to access Indiana's premier real estate website, or click the link below. It's going to give you all the access and all the information to this beautiful home. If you enjoyed this tour, there's plenty more where that came from. Watch our other videos featuring homes in Westfield, Carmel, Noblesville, Fishers, and all across Hamilton County. Like this video, subscribe so you never miss another opportunity, and please comment down below to this. What would your perfect day at Geist look like if you lived here? And here's another fun fact. Geist Reservoir spans over 1,900 acres in one of the largest man-made lakes in Indiana. Living here means you're connected to one of the region's top recreational hotspots year-round. Your time is now to become the next champion of real estate. Are you ready?